Welcome back. Let's talk about the best deals going on over at Walgreens. There is a lot to talk about because not only is it a new week of deals, it is a new month of deals. How is it already October? I don't know. But they are also doing my Walgreens Days event again this coming week. So I'm going to share all of that information with you. I'll go over each of the deals I did and then tons of other deals that you might be interested in that you don't see here on the table and clearance pictures at the end of the video. Let me start off with a couple of coupon codes that you can use online. I used the code SENIOR20 today, and that took 20% off of the items that I purchased, so that's an option. If you're buying cleaning products, you can use the code FALLCLEAN for 15% off a $25 purchase. If you're purchasing wellness products, there is a coupon code WELL15 that will give you 15% off of $35 or more in wellness products. So I wanted to share that. Now let me talk about the Walgreens Days. It's running from October 4th to October 7th. You should see digital coupons that you can clip in your coupon folder in the Walgreens app. What I clipped is the 15% Walgreens cash on Walgreens branded items. That was Wednesday only. So that one's Wednesday only. The Thursday only deal is earn $10 in Walgreens cash on a $30 curbside or same day delivery order. And then this coming Saturday is earn $20 when you spend $45, and that's a Saturday only coupon. So you might consider saving some of these deals until Saturday and using that booster. I did not have a regular spend booster this week. I also did not have a paper booster this week. So all the deals you see, I ended up using Walgreens cash to pay or register rewards that I had from last week. One more clearance deal. I did this last night and I posted it to my Instagram. The sunburn relief, it was marked down to 79 cents, and I actually really like their brand of sunburn relief, so you can check that out if you want to. A couple of people have asked me recently, are you still doing Walmart? Are you still doing H-E-B? Are you still doing Target? Yes, I am doing all of the matchups for Target and H-E-B weekly, and I do post some Walmart deals, but I'm not doing videos on YouTube right now. So I'm posting over on Instagram. You can find me at Save with Christina. If you don't do Instagram, that is my favorite platform. You can find me on Facebook at Saving with Christina. I post pictures there. I also will post to the YouTube community tab. That one's a little bit harder though because it limits me to 5 photos, and it's super weird. Like I'll upload 5 photos and then it gets mad at me and it takes me forever. So I don't post to the community tab as much as I post to Instagram or Facebook, those stores and those deals. So if you want to see more of that, I would suggest checking out my Instagram or my Facebook in addition to the YouTube. All right, let's talk about deals. This one, where is it? This one here might be my favorite. You pick up 2 of the acts at $4.99. There is a $7.50 digital, making it $2.48 for both, or just $1.24 each. I know you only see one of them here. I got home from my pickup order and either it fell out of my car and I need to go find it, or they only stuck one in my bag for some reason. It does show 2 on my receipt, so I've got to figure that out later. But there's also a deal on just the regular body wash, but these are $5.99 each. I had a second, it was a different $7.50 digital coupon, which is why you see I did both deals. So I paid $4.48 total for both of them, or $2.24 each. But if you have Fetch Rewards, check your Fetch Rewards app, because I had a spend 20, get $2.75 back. So when I purchased all 4 of these, I ended up getting $2.75 back on Fetch Rewards, which ended up making all 4 $4.21 or $1.05 each. So that's what I did. If you're not using Fetch Rewards yet, it's a super easy app. You can scan any receipt into it. If you use my referral code, you're going to get additional points when you scan that first receipt. The Dove shampoo and conditioner, super easy. They are $4 each, so $8 for both, minus a $4 digital, makes it $4 for two or $2 a piece. This would be a good one to sneak into that spin booster on Saturday. The Old Spice deodorant. These are 2 for $13. There's a $3 digital coupon. So you'll pay $10, get back a $4 register reward. So we need to do it in store. And then submit your receipt to Ibotta where you get $5 back for purchasing 2 of them, making your final cost $1 or just 50 cents each. Of course, scan the items, make sure it qualifies for that Ibotta rebate before you purchase them. You can use your Walgreens cash to pay for these because it is a buy 2, get a $4 register reward. It's not a spend deal. So use your Walgreens cash to pay to make sure you have a low out of pocket. Now, this was a cool deal that didn't end up working out for me. These razors this week, they are buy one, get one 50% off. Buy 3, get $3 in Walgreens cash. So if you buy 3 of them, it's going to be $3.75. And then you'll get back $3 in Walgreens cash, making it 75 cents or 25 cents per pack of razors. Now, my store, I place this as curbside. My store only had 2 packs, so they substituted a 3rd pack, but it was a different brand, so I did not get the $3 in Walgreens cash. So if your store has limited stock, you might want to double check in store to make sure they have it. And you can either purchase it curbside after you see they have the stock, or you could buy it in store if the price is the same in store as it was online. I know with my store, sometimes it's a little bit cheaper to purchase it curbside. You can also use that coupon code senior20 versus buying it at the in-store price. Now, the last deal I did was part of the buy 4, get a $5 register reward. So I picked up these Bounty towels at $5.49. I picked up the Gain flings as well as the Gain detergent at $5.49 and then the Gain fireworks. Now, I had a $1 coupon for each of these items here, and I had a 50-cent coupon for the Bounty. So I paid $18.46. I got back a $5 register reward that worked without any issues. I did it actually with the deodorant. So again, I used Walgreens cash to pay. So I got $5 in register rewards back, leaving my total would be $13.46 for all 4 of these items, or $3.36 each. Obviously, if you have higher value coupons, you can use those. I just had the $1 on each of these and the 50 cents on the Bounty. Now, let's talk about a few other deals this week you might want to do. The Nice brand cashews are $2.99. The Quaker oatmeal is 2 for $9 again, so that makes them $4.50 for the big container of Quaker oats. The Mott's apple juice is 2 for $6. The Pop-Tarts are all $2.99, including the bigger box. So my store has one, I think it's just a strawberry, in the bigger box, still marked $2.99, but it's a whole lot more than those smaller boxes. The Dole little fruit cups are 2 for $5. The kettle chips are on sale 2 for $7. That's cheaper than my grocery store. There's a Glucerna product at $6.99 with a $3 digital. The Nice brand chips, the Nice brand cereal is $1.99. The Fruit Loops, now the online price was different than the in-store price. The online price showed 3 for $6.79. And then there is a rebate on Ibotta for $1 back on each. So if you buy 3, it would be $6.79. Get back $3 on Ibotta. So that makes it $3.79 for all 3 of those. So it's a great deal on the Fruit Loops. It makes it just over $1 each for the cereal. But in store, it showed buy 1, get 1 free. So I was confused by why it showed different pricing. I think that was all the food. The complete home bags that we buy, the freezer bags, those are buy 1, get 2 free again. That makes them 93 cents. The complete home like trash bags are $1.99. The toilet paper is $1.99. There's Purex laundry detergent at $3.99. There is $1 digital, so you'd pay $2.99, but check your Ibotta because I had a 50-cent rebate, which made it $2.49 total for that. The all detergent's $4.99. There's $1.50 digital, making it $3.49. The Snuggle is $3.99, $1 digital, making it $2.99. So those are all the deals that I found this week at Walgreens. If you're finding other stuff, please let us know down in the comments. Help each other out. I love that. A lot of people have been sending me messages lately and saying, can you help me with this scenario? And they'll send me like 6 to 10 different products and the different coupons that they're using and all of these boosters. Unfortunately, I can't help individuals with these individual scenarios because it just takes up so much of my time. And with, I'm getting close to like 75,000 followers across platforms. Even if just one person asked me per day, it would still take forever to answer all of those questions. So hopefully you will go back to the tutorial videos that I do that walks you through how the spin boosters work, how the register rewards work, how the Walgreens cash works, and learn it. That way you can feel more confident in executing the deals on your own, because truly the best way to learn is through doing it yourself and going through the process, and that way you see what works and what doesn't work. And if something doesn't work, don't hesitate to return the items that didn't work out for you. Like I'm contemplating returning the razors because I didn't get the $3 in Walgreens cash because I ended up buying 3 of them. Anyway, hopefully that helps. I hope y'all have a great week coming up. We have a crazy week. My son now has something every day of the week that he does. We're going to a show this week together, and then there was something else on Friday. Oh, a friend of mine wrote a book, so I'm going to her book launch party, so I'm excited to do that as well. All right, y'all have a great week, and thanks for watching.